Yo, what's up, people? This is the next Forex Pro, and today is 10/16/2022. Um, Still going on with the challenge here, evaluation phase one, and then I'm at 18 days left now. And I actually came in, took a few trades this week, and let me see if I can show you guys. Give me a sec. And so you can see here, started off pretty good. Had a little small drawdown over here, and then you can see moving back up into the 3,000, 4,000 area. So pretty much at 3.95%, just a bit shy under 4%. And got to bring this baby back to up to 8% to get that 8K profit target. And then I move on to phase two challenge. And I think one thing that I would say is number one, I'm not really doing the weekly or throughout the week analysis anymore. I'm just kind of focusing more on just doing my own analysis and getting ready for the day. And then another thing I'm doing too is I'm focusing a lot more on daily bias, and for that I use my weekly. And I also, I mean, you can see there's a bunch of stuff that gets plotted when I'm working on the 5 minute or 15 minute chart, or 2 minute things get plotted on my weekly. But you can see here I do have some weekly levels right here, and then obviously these right here, which these actually are already way too, it's way too overkill for that. And I was actually gonna at the beginning of every Sunday, or before every Monday, I actually like to remove all the drawing objects for every single chart. And so you can see here, we came down here, we rebalanced here on this weekly area coming down. And so to me, this still looks bearish. I feel we're gonna get down here. I don't know if it'll be this week, but that's kind of what I'm shooting for. And then obviously here on the daily, I would say we might just come up in here on this daily, be able to get up in here and then head lower. But my bias for me on the euro dollar is still short, placing trades short only. And so that's one of the things that I've also am getting, as my evolution continues as an ICT trader, placing with bias has been a lot better, a lot more rewarding. And just the trade itself takes a lot faster to develop. And as opposed to just waiting for the highs on Asia session or London session or New York session to be taken and then looking for the setup. Although you can still do that, but the real, if you can, as how ICT mentions, if you can discern a bias and trade with that bias, you know exactly what you're looking for. And so anyways, with 18 days left, I'm at 4%. I'm feeling good about this challenge. This is it's actually the third time, I believe. I already, once again, for those, if this is your first time watching my journey here, thank you so much for watching. I only paid for it one time, and so all the other times so far they've been free retakes. And as long as you're in profit, my forex ones will give you, pretty much will give you the whole another free retake, right? And so as long as you're in profit, and so you just got to reach out to them, and they'll take care of you. So they've been very good about that. I have no complaints. I think I've heard other people talk about slippage with my forex funds. Personally, I haven't experienced any of that. It could be because I'm in these evaluation phase. I know with demo accounts it's a lot different than when you're going in live. Obviously, if you're getting slippage, it's because of the broker, and it's just a lot. It's a lot different when you're live than as opposed to when you're demo. And so, anyways, but like I said, I haven't experienced anything with anything unusual with my forex funds. Things have been pretty good. When I click sell, it puts me in the trade pretty much right away. Otherwise, yeah, we're gonna keep it going and keep this train going. So up until now, I'm at 18 days left, and like I said, I'm pretty excited about this. So we'll see what happens this week. Until then, peace out, people.